Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zotac 38 cm long GeForce RTX 4070 Ti super graphics card with AD102 GPU. So friends, Zotac has more RTX 4070 Ti Super with Nvidia's most powerful GPU. It also means the card comes with much larger cooler, typically 3 or even 3.5 slot 3. And alternatively, if many have a design that might not suit everyone's taste, but Zotac has already launched its 8102 based on RTX 4070 Ti Super cards under the solid branding and featuring a very rectangular design and that differ from the AMP and 20 series of the RTX 40 lineup. And the Zotac launched two more RTX 4070 Ti Super cards with AD102 GPU and both based on RTX 4090 design but differently from the Super Solid series. And the new model PGFOC and AMP Extreme have similar aerodynamic design but come in different colors. They are not a stick as Super Solid, which is 3.5 slot design, and officially they are listed as 3 slot thick and through the cooler slightly exceed this specification. In terms of specification, both card is equipped with 8102 175 GPU configured to enable 8448 CUDA cores and equipped with 16 GB of GDDR6X memory across a 256-bit memory bus, and the TDP is capped at 285 watt and the future a single 16-pin power connector. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.